Good morning, children. Welcome to Madonna School. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. I am Mrs. Jayashree, your GK teacher. I want to congratulate all students that you have done your exams in an excellent way. Thank you, parents and children, for your effort. Let's begin our class by watching a small video.
What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? Let's have a look. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing a t-shirt. I'm wearing a t-shirt. And I'm wearing a muscle man suit.
That's funny!
I'm wearing a dress. I'm wearing a dress. I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing a skirt. I'm wearing a skirt. I'm wearing a sweater. I'm wearing a sweater. And I'm wearing pajamas.
To school?
Oops, I forgot to get dressed. I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm wearing a cap. I'm wearing a cap. And I'm wearing a superhero suit.
That's funny!
What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? Great job! Hello, my name is Matt. What's your name? Today, I'm wearing a shirt and I'm wearing pants. What are you wearing? Great job! See you! What are you wearing?
Did you enjoy the video? Are you all happy, children? Okay, what did you observe in the video? Very good, that's correct. We saw men who wear different types of clothes. Children, we all wear clothes to protect ourselves from cold, heat, rain, to cover our body and to look smart. So, today's topic is male clothes. Let's learn about the clothes owned by men. Children, shorts. Repeat, children, shorts. Shorts are also known as half pants that end above the knee or reach the knee. So, what is this, children? Shorts. Repeat after me. Shorts. What comes next? What is this, children? Coat. Repeat, children. Coat. Very good. A coat is a garment worn on the upper body. It has long sleeves and are opened down the front, closing by means of buttons. So what is this? Coat. Repeat after me. Coat. What's this, children? Shirt. Shirt. Repeat, children. Shirt. A shirt is a cloth for the upper body worn by our fathers, brothers, or generally men. What comes next? What is this, children? Tie. Repeat, children. Tie. Neck tie. Necktie is usually not more than 1 inch wide, worn around the neck on the shirt below the collar. So, what is this? Tie. Repeat children. Tie. Which cloth do we wear around our neck on the shirt? Which cloth do we wear around our neck on the shirt? Repeat children. A tie is worn around our neck on the shirt. Repeat after me. A tie is worn around our neck on the shirt. What is this? T-shirt. Repeat children. T-shirt. A T-shirt is a style of fabric shirt named after the T shape of its body and sleeves. It has short sleeves. So what is this children? T-shirt. Repeat once again. T-shirt. What is this? Cap. Repeat children. Cap. A cap is a form of headgear. Cap has crowns that fit very close to the head. What is this? Cap. Repeat children. Cap. What is this? Trousers. Repeat children. Trouser. Trouser or pants are worn from the hip to the ankles, covering both legs separately. What is this children? Trousers. Repeat children. Trousers. What does your father wear when he goes to office? What does your father wear when he goes to office? My father wears a shirt and a trouser when he goes to office. Repeat children. What does your father wear when he goes to office? My father wears a shirt and a trouser when he goes to office. Repeat children. My father wears a shirt and a trouser when he goes to office. What is this? Jeans. Repeat children. Jeans. Jeans are a type of pants or trousers made from denim. What do you like to wear? Children, what do you like to wear? I like to wear jeans and t-shirt. Repeat children. What do you like to wear? I like to wear jeans and t-shirt. What's this? Hat. Repeat children. Hat. A hat is a head covering which is worn for various reasons. It protects our head, hair, eyes, neck and from harmful sun rays. Repeat children. What is this? Hat. Hat. What's this? Socks. Repeat children. Socks. Socks are a piece of clothing worn on the feet and often covering the ankle. Socks are the layers of material between your foot and your shoe. So, what is this children? Socks. Repeat children. Socks. What is this? Belt. Repeat children. Belt. A belt is a flexible band or strap made of leather or heavy cloth worn around the hip. The belt is to secure trousers or pants. So what is this children? Belt. Repeat children. Belt. Let's recall the things what we learned today about male clothes. Shorts, coat, shirt, necktie, t-shirt, cap, trouser, jeans, hat, socks, belt. Children, take picture dictionary book. Picture dictionary book. Parents, kindly guide your child to take picture dictionary book from Students Kit. Open page number 24. Lesson number 18, male clothes. Repeat, children. Lesson number 18, male clothes. Repeat after me, children. Shorts, shorts. Coat, coat. Shirt, shirt. Tie, tie. T-shirt. Repeat, children. T-shirt. Cap, cap. Trousers, trousers. Jeans, jeans. Hat, hat. Socks, socks. Belt, belt. Children, let's revise questions and answers. Repeat after me, children. Questions and answers. What does your father wear when he goes to office? What does your father wear when he goes to office? My father wears a shirt and a trouser when he goes to office. Repeat after me, children. What does your father wear when he goes to office? My father wears a shirt and a trouser when he goes to office. My father wears a shirt and a trouser when he goes to office. What do you like to wear? What do you like to wear? I like to wear jeans and t-shirt. Repeat, children. I like to wear jeans and t-shirt. Which cloth do we wear around our neck on the shirt? Which cloth do we wear around our neck on the shirt? Repeat, children. A tie is worn around our neck on the shirt. Repeat after me, children. Which cloth do we wear around our neck on the shirt? A tie is worn around our neck on the shirt. Children, learn questions and answers from the lesson Male Dress. Thank you, children. Bye bye. See you in the next class.